In this video, you will learn how to create TikTok Pixel. The TikTok Pixel is just a short line of code that enables TikTok to track events on your website. When you install TikTok Pixel on your website, it will give TikTok that permission to track events or activities on your website, such as content view, purchase, add to cart, initiate checkout, and many more. So if you are running sales ad or lead generation ad, TikTok will require you to install this pixel on your website so that you can track these events and give you the relevant ad analytics at your TikTok Ads Manager campaign dashboard. Now, let me show you the exact step-by-step process on how to create your TikTok pixel. Log into your TikTok for Business account. You will see your business center here and your ads manager. Click on your ads manager. Your ads manager account will open like this. At the top here, you will see TikTok ads manager, dashboard, campaigns, and tools. Just hover your mouse on tools here, and down below you are going to see events manager. Click on events manager. Now you'll be required to verify with your phone number or email. I prefer to use email option, so I'll click on email. After entering your email, click on this send code. TikTok will send a code to your email. Open your email and input your code here exactly as you see in your email. Okay, after inputting your code, click on this confirm button. Click on send code again, and they will send another code. After inputting the new code, click on confirm button again. You can see user verification turned on. Now you will see welcome to events manager, data connection, event customization, performance insights, and you will see the get started button here. But don't click on get started. Go to the left hand side right here. You are going to see connect data source. Click on connect data source. There are different options here. We have web, app, offline, CRM, and messaging. For the purpose of this video, we want to connect this pixel to our website. If you're using app, then go with app, but this is for website. So select web. Then down below, you will see the next button. Click on next. Now you are required to enter your website. After inputting your website link, click on next button here. Then you will see choose a data connection method here. We want to do manual setup. So select the manual setup option here. After selecting manual setup, you will see the next button down below. Click on next. Then you need to choose a manual connection method. Here you will see TikTok Pixel plus Events API. The next one is TikTok Pixel, and the last one is Events API. Select this middle one, TikTok Pixel. After selecting it, you will see the next button down below. Click on next. Then go ahead and name your pixel. I can just call it Pixel Tutorial because I'm using it for the purpose of this tutorial. But use the name that you can remember to name your pixel. You can maybe use the name of the website that you are installing it on, or name of a product you're promoting. So after naming your pixel, you are going to see this create button down below. Click on create, and your TikTok pixel has been created. Now this is the pixel code. For you to copy this code, just hover your mouse on this pixel code and you'll see this copy button right here. Click on copy, and your pixel code has been copied to your clipboard. Scroll down and follow the next instruction. You can see number 2 here. Add your code to your website header. So every website has header and footer depending on the one you're using. If you're using Shopify, if you're using WordPress website, just go to your header and paste this TikTok code you just copied here. Then the next thing you need to do is to verify base code setup. Click on this install pixel helper. This is actually a Chrome plugin that is going to help you check if your events are triggering and to troubleshoot installation. Okay, after that we'll click on next and we go for event setup. After creating your TikTok pixel, the next thing is to set up your conversion depending on the variables you want to track on your website. If you're tracking purchase, then you have to set the conversion for purchase. If you're tracking content view or add to cart, whatever conversion variable you are tracking, then you need to set up the conversion variable. Which website builder are you using for your ad? Are you using Shopify or a WordPress website? Just mention the type of website builder you are using at the comment section. If I get majority of WordPress, then I will create a second part of this video on how to set the conversion. If I get majority on Shopify or other website builder, then I will do a video on that one. So comment your website builder below and I will create a second part of this video.